Holy moly, smoked mashed potatoes made on the Traeger is so freaking good. This is my favorite way to make mashed potatoes at the moment. So these are garlic mashed potatoes. You need to start with a ton of Yukon Gold potatoes. You want to get any imperfections off of them and then dice them up. I really recommend not boiling them whole, because if you boil them diced, they're going to cook a lot faster, so you can get to smoking your mashed potatoes even faster. So once they're done, just strain them out, and it's time to make the garlic oil. Now this is going to infuse a ton of garlic flavor into the mashed potatoes, and I'm a big fan of roasting garlic. It gives it such a nice, rich, deep flavor. I don't like just throwing raw garlic in. I think this really helps make the smoked mashed potatoes taste super garlicky throughout, because it has all of the oil right in it. And then you add in a huge, wonderful stick of butter just to infuse that with garlic. So when you mash up those potatoes and add it all in, they're going to be so buttery and garlicky. So delicious. All right, so good luck mashing them up. Use an electric mixer if you want super smooth smoked mashed potatoes, or just use one of these potato mashers like we did for chunky smoked mashed potatoes. Then you want to add in all of your flavoring. You can add in some cream cheese, butter, garlic, olive oil mixture that you just made, some heavy cream, all the good dairy stuff that goes into really tasty mashed potatoes. And then it's time to load that all up in a large cast iron skillet. Just put it right in there, and then you're going to head out to the smoker. You could throw on a little bit of diced butter on top of this just for good luck. All right? So then you head out to the smoker grill, crank your Traeger up to about, let's see, I think it was 250 for this, unless it was 225. I kind of go back and forth sometimes. Check out the recipe at Sip Bite to Go. But one of those will be just fine. And after about an hour of smoking, you throw on some cheddar cheese on top, and you can add in some chives, and then serve these with your favorite smoked main dish. Smoked flank steak goes really well with this because they cook at the same temperature. Till next time, cheers!